In this particular 3ds Max tips and tricks video, I want to talk a bit about the search 3ds Max commands. So the search 3ds Max commands is first of all available in the help menu, and the shortcut key is X. So when you type X, you automatically do get some kind of dynamic input. So if you start by typing, 3ds Max will start filtering out all the available commands, but also if you have loaded any kind of scripts. So in this particular case, I just want to create a simple cylinder. Gonna roughly position it on the grid. I've changed the height segments by default. And after creating my cylinder, I quickly want to add a bend modifier. So I'm going to do hit X key again. I start typing bend. So I'm applying the bend modifier, and I want to activate it with, let's do, well, 82 degrees, totally fine. I'm going to do an X key again, just want to draw a line. Line is by default set on my system to smooth as drag type. So if I hold down the left mouse button while I'm positioning my vertices, I'm drawing a smooth path. Done with the line, and now I want to animate the cylindrical object on the path. So I do X key and I start typing path. Before I do that, I need to select the cylinder, obviously. Do a path, and there it is. This is exactly what I want. I want to assign a path constraint. Also very interesting is the tool clip. So when you hover over any kind of tool, with many tools, you do get a video clip. So it's a fairly simple animation. If you press the F1 key, the help files will be loaded automatically. So I'm going to assign a path constraint. I'm going to assign it to the path, and there it is. So it just by typing options, if you don't know exactly where is my tool, just use the X key and search for any kind of object you want to create in 3ds Max.